Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a homemade Japanese fan. So let's get started. So for this activity, we need a small rectangular piece of paper. So this activity only involves one step, that is, we have to fold the paper little by little in both the sides. So first, I'm folding it in one side. So after I'm done with it, I'm turning the paper to the opposite side and I'm repeating the same step in the opposite side as well. So we have to repeat the same step until all the paper is over. So the fan is ready and we have to open it and we have to hold it here, and if you want to make it more beautiful, we can tie or a ribbon around here, and you can also stick gems on the corners of this fan. So this is the end of my video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye for now.